Oh my gosh, look what we found going through San Antonio.
Look at that glass block, wow.
In our last video, we set out to find stories and old haunts of country music superstar Willie Nelson.
Along the way, we found some other amazing sights Texas has to offer. From the classic Mission Drive-In. You don't bring your car out here anymore, but I guess you can bring lawn chairs. To this one-of-a-kind curio shop. We're here 30 seconds, I go to ask permission to video, and ta-da, she's already got something. And a rest stop.
That ain't your average rest stop.
Go inside, and there's a video.
We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure. Oh my gosh, look what we found going through San Antonio.
Mission Drive-In. It's no longer a drive-in theater, guys. But look, they kept the whole facade. And it looks like it's got the neon that makes out the Alamo.
But it does show movies, look. The Princess Bride.
Wow, showing movies somewhere. Look at that glass block, wow.
Oh, we gotta get out and film this. There's stuff about it.
We're gonna get out and show you the backside and see what they've done with it. Okay guys, it's another one of those instances of you never know what you're gonna find until you go looking for it. Look at this. They've taken a drive-in, instead of tearing it down, destroying it forever, you can see where they still show movies, but it's an amphitheater. And you don't bring your car out here anymore, but I guess you can bring lawn chairs.
You can bring your lawn chairs, sodas, snacks. You can even get food at the food trucks they have there, and free entertainment before the movie starts. Best of all, it's free to get in, free to park, it's pet friendly, and you get free popcorn.
We're not really sure what we stumbled upon, but it's nice. It's some kind of artistic center. There's the library next door. And I'm not sure what that was, unless that's where they show the movies from now, or did. This is amazing. We have kind of surmised, though, that because it's called the Mission, it has a lot to do with the missions of years ago.
It actually was part of the Silk Road corridor.
Part of the Silk Road Cultural Heritage District.
Which was the Silk Road.
Look at that ornate architecture, guys. Wow. It's called the World Heritage Center. It's open 10 to 5, whatever it is that goes on inside. Preserving and sharing the culture of the 5 historic San Antonio missions. This is a place for people to gather, tell their stories, and share their neighborhood's many treasured places with you. That is cool. We got to see the front of this thing up close and personal. We can zoom in and all that kind of good stuff, but this just is so awesome from right here. Just right here. They've got glass block up there, and I bet you it's lit up at night. We're thinking we can get some history on the Mission Drive-In here. Is this it?
Jimmy Durante.
Jimmy Durante. Look at this old marquee from years ago.
Oh, so that's the actual picture they have up here.
It doesn't have the farmer on it, though. 1948, they built it. People are enjoying it. It's still here. What's cool about this is the city of San Antonio bought it in 2007. In 2014, they made this whole area still showing movies, and Frozen was the first one they showed back in 2014.
2014 is when they added the stage on back so that they could still continue to show movies. Like you said, it was Frozen, but this whole area now is for markets and festivals and things like that.
Sharing the community. This is one of those roads we didn't plan to take. I know a side road off the freeway because we were having all that construction. We were having all that construction going on, and we thought, wait a minute, hold on, there's got to be a better way. Sure enough, I just happened to know it, and then we run across this. Wow. This is a drum circle they've made as part of the World Heritage Center.
It's just incredible.
She can't stop going on.
To think they took that and literally saved it.
It looks like it did day one. It's serious. It looks that good. I think these are lights that come up from the concrete. When something's on stage, you can see it really well, evidently. I want to see this lit up so bad. Just so you know, we will not be doing any performances today, tonight, or probably ever. Just, yeah. So yeah, say it all. Traffic in Texas, we're doing 3 miles an hour.
Such a pretty area. All along this particular road of Texas is cacti. Well, you can also maybe see there are a few towers, but cacti, and then these daisies.
Guys, this is what you call a rest area. Texas, it's just random. Didn't really see it coming, and all of a sudden there it was, and we thought, we gotta stop. Check this out. This place is really peaceful. And wait till you see what's inside.
It's always fun to run into somebody from your home state. He's got a Kentucky sweatshirt on, just like I do.
Have you ever noticed in most of our videos that Vanessa has a Kentucky sweatshirt on? Gosh, I think she's kind of proud of where she's from.
Kentucky is representing in Texas today.
Tell you what, look at this. This is just amazing. They got this big tree trunk looking thing here that you can go inside, and there's a video. You can get some information about the state. Sit here, enjoy the show. It's right now, it's on a nature walk. All kinds of things you're going to find in Texas. Just a neat building, and this is a rest area. We hope you guys are joining us for the long journey. We're going to put chapters in so you guys can find the main gist of the stories, but if you're on a road trip with us, we really enjoy having you along with us. Just saying. Look what we found, guys. Oh yeah, it's going to be fun.
This is the kind of thing we go looking for.
These are huge. This is about 12 feet tall. Stuff. Love this kind of stuff. Wow, we're here 30 seconds. I go to ask permission to video, and ta-da, she's already got something. Yeah, you're going to carry it. This is one of those kind of places we like to come to. Show them, sweetie. Maybe you'll come here. Patronize these folks. They let us video nothing is so nice because they've got so much to video. They got your rubber ducks. We're looking for a companion for our ceramic swan or goose, whatever he is. Looks a lot like these guys. They walk away with one. Look, dragonflies. Like everywhere you go, it's just so cool. Look at the chickens. I love the chickens. More of those flowers that look so real. Gotta find out more on these items. Do they make them here? Do they buy them? Look at those suns. It's huge. Sunflowers. All metal. Nothing gold.
Oh, how cute is that?
It's literally a gold.
It really is.
There are signs when you come in that says, enjoy our store, just be careful with everything. They've got a real live porcupine. Okay, we're getting a behind the scenes view.
So this is a design that we're doing for a table for a bar.
That is neat.
Really pretty.
And we're doing some of the Talavera design on it. I did it by hand.
Really? No stencil?
No sense at all.
Wow.
No.
Okay.
It's so pretty.
Yes.
You know what you're going to find here, guys? And she's making it under this cool
This is really
shady
nice
tree.
It's nice and cool.
everything to work with too.
Are you the main person that does that type of
No,
stuff?
I work in sales,
Okay.
but we have some guys over here that do the welding and they fix items for us.
Oh, okay.
But right now, I'm very creative, so she was
I
like,
can tell.
do you want to do this table? And I was like, okay, I'll try. I'll give it a try.
Question everyone's going to ask is, can you make custom stuff?
Most of our items are custom, but they're imported from Mexico.
Okay.
Yes, over here we just fix things.
Yeah.
We order them like that.
Thanks for the tour. And they've got horses in the back. You can actually come up and talk to pet. This is turning out to be a real Texas adventure, guys. Oh, they warn us, yeah. Oh, look, they're throwing that away. No, they got to fix that. Surely. Hey, baby, how's it going? You guys friendly? Very suspicious, I know.
No stances. So.
We get it. Okay. Look at all the birdhouses. And look, can you see the chicken basket? It's not a chicken in a basket, it's a chicken basket. Is that the horse? He thinks we got something to eat, I think.
I'm sorry, I don't have
guys. There's our other host. Very sweet dog. Of course, they've got an inside too. See what they've got. Oh, furniture and mirrors. Huge. Wow. Look at this. This is some kind of artwork. It's chrome with black stones. Somebody wants this. It's nice. It's beautiful. So many colorful things in here.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh, look at this, guys. Gunslinger girl.
I mean, just the whole, it's a
I
real
know.
skin behind
But
it.
it's a skin.
Lorena
Lorena.
Martinez. Yes.
Okay, I'm doing lousy.
No
And you've been
problem.
here, what, 26 years now?
Been in business 30, been in this location for 26.
And your husband started...
He started out in the street. 2 years into our marriage, he says, I'm going to go open up a store. You know, and I said, the store? Okay, where? He goes, first I'm going to start it off selling out in the street.
You've got a lot of beautiful
Art,
art,
yeah.
and expensive items. We walked through the other building.
Well, let me
With
correct you a little on
Okay,
that.
okay.
Because you said expensive. What I've been very blessed is that I am an interior designer. And the blessing that I have had that is my husband is from Mexico, originally from Mexico. So we do have the possibility of going and shopping to Mexico and trying to get the best price we can.
Okay.
But we try to pick the best items. Not your. There's a little bit of elegance to it.
There's a lot of elegance to
So
this. Yeah.
it looks expensive, but we try to have very decent pricing.
Yeah, I did not look at the prices, but it just looked very elegant.
But they look very nice and
Yes.
expensive, but we have them at very good pricing.
Good.
We're elegantly priced with 3 of these. So.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, she's
Well, this
very
is the
happy now.
That's the first things I saw when I walked in. I thought, oh, they'll probably be out of my price range. But no,
We
it was perfect
try to have
price.
good prices, so yeah, make sure you tell everybody so
We
they
will.
can come out
You're
here and
telling
shop.
Texas A&M. This is metal discs. Coca-Cola, and yes, they've even got something for you Yellowstone fans. Doesn't this remind you of the place we went to in Florida,
It does.
where we found Henry? Henry is our goose. Oh, look. Wait a minute. I thought you were a Wildcat fan, not a Cardinal.
And no, but him sitting with that.
Yeah, well, okay, there is feng shui. I want this.